What are you doing?
I'm taking this poop bag.
You're checking the poop bag?
Yeah.
For what?
The forms.
So that's a whole brand new roll of purple poop bags that you picked out at the pet store, right? What do we put in there?
What goes in those bags, Hazel? What does Mom put in there?
Poop.
What do they smell like? You smell them? They smell good?
No.
I'm glad that's a neat roll of bags there, Hazel.
Did you know they smell, yeah?
No.